ka-Mathwave, tuturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano natin makakuha ang equations ng lines gamit ang slope-intercept form, point-slope form, the two-point form, at saka yung the intercepts form. Okay, una, slope-intercept form na kung saan yung M, ito yung tinatawag nating slope, yung B, yung y-intercept. Sa slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, for example, write an equation of the line whose slope is 5 and y-intercept is -2. So, mayroon tayong given, m is equal to 5, sabi nga natin, ang m, ito yung slope, at yung b, y-intercept. So, solution. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, substitute 5 for m and -2 for b. So, y is equal to 5x minus 2. Ito na po yung equation ng line natin. Y is equal to 5x minus 2. Okay, another example. Write the equation of the line that contains the point P, x coordinate is 1, and y coordinate 2, and whose slope is 2. So, solution. Using y is equal to mx plus b, substitute 2 for m. So y is equal to 2x plus b. So mapapansin natin, ang given lang dyan is point, which is 1 and 2. Then, para makuha natin si b, solve for b, substitute 1 for x and 2 for y. So, gamit yan, y is equal to 2x plus b. Papalitan natin si y ng 2 at si x ng 1. So, 2 equals 2 times the quantity of 1 plus b. So, b equals 2 minus 2. B equal to 0. So, mayroon na tayong slope at mayroon na tayong y-intercept. So, y is equal to 2x plus b. Then, substitute 0 for b. Then, y is equal to 2x plus 0. Then, y is equal to 2x. Yan na po ang equation ng line. Y equals 2x. So, meron tayong alternative solution para sa ganitong problem. For example, ito yung tinatawag nating point-slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m, o ito yung tinatawag nating slope, times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, ito yung same problem natin kanina. Write the equation of the line that contains the point P, 1, 2, and whose slope is 2. Ang gagawin natin, substitute natin yung 1 for y sub 1, ay 1 for x sub 1, 2 for y sub 1, and slope 2 for m. Ayan po. Ayan po yung mga given natin. So, substitute lang po natin. Yung y sub 1, substitute natin yung 2 for y sub 1, 2 for m, and 1 for x sub 1. Then, distributive property, expand po natin. Y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. Then, we transpose negative 2 doon sa right side. Lipat lang po natin. Y is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 2. Then, negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Then, y is equal to 2x plus 0. Ito na po ang equations ng line natin. Y is equal to 2x. Okay, another example. Use the point-slope form to write an equation of the line that contains P, -3 and 4, and whose slope is 2/3. So, gamit po yung point-slope form natin na y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, substitute -3 for x sub 1, 4 for y sub 1, and 2/3 for m. Ayan po siya. Y minus 4 is equal to 2/3 x plus 3. Bakit naging plus? Kasi po -3 yung x coordinate natin. Okay, then next, expand po natin. Y minus 4 is equal to 2x over 3 plus 2. Bakit po siya 2? Kasi 2 times 3 is 6 divided by 3, 2. Then transpose negative 4. Y is equal to 2x over 3 plus 2 plus 4. So y is equal to 2x over 3 plus 6. Yan na po ang equation ng line. Okay. Write an equation of the line containing the points P, 1, negative 1, and Q, 5, 7. So mapapansin natin na wala tayong slope. Ano po? Points lang ang mayroon tayo. Dalawang points. 1 and negative 1 and Q, 5, 7. Ang unang natin gagawin is to find the slope. Ang equation ng slope ay y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, substitute all the values. 7 plus 1, ang y po natin, ito po ang x sub 1, y sub 1, ito po si x sub 2, y sub 2. So, substitute 7 for y sub 2, negative 1 for y sub 1, 5 for x sub 2, and 1 for x sub 1. So, ayan po siya. 7 plus 1 over 5 minus 1. Then 7 plus 1 equals to 8. And 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Or 8 divided by 4, 2. So, mayroon na tayong slope m is equal to 2. Then using y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, substitute lang po natin yung 2 for m. Then kahit saan po ang gamitin natin dyan, pwedeng p at q. So, unahin natin si p, si 5, 7. So, y minus 7 is equal to 2 times x minus 5. Substitute 7 for y sub 1 and 5 for x sub 1. Then expand. Y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 10. Transpose negative 7 to the other side. Y is equal to 2x minus 10 plus 7. Then y is equal to 2x minus 3. Ayan po. Gamit naman ang point 1, negative 1. Halos parehas sila ng letter. Ito po is Q. For correction lang po Q. Okay. Gamit ang 1, negative 1, substitute natin yung negative 1 for y sub 1 and positive 1 for x sub 1. So, y plus 1 equals 2 times the quantity of x minus 1. Then expand. Y plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2. Then transpose positive 1 to the other side. Y equals 2x minus 2 minus 1. Then, y is equal to 2x minus 3. Yan na po ang equation ng line. So, mayroon din po tayong alternative solution para dito sa ganitong problem kapag dalawa yung point ang given. So, ito po yung natawag nating the two-point form. May dalawang points ang given. So, ito po yung equations natin. Y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So, ito po yung same problem natin. Write an equation of the line containing the points P, 1, negative 1, and Q, 5, 7. So, ito pong si 1, ito po siya si x sub 1, negative 1 for y sub 1, 5 for x sub 2, 7 for y sub 2. So, solution, gamit po yung two-point form. Substitute 5 for x sub 2, 7 for y sub 1, 1 for x sub 1, and negative 1 for y sub 1. So, ito po siya. So, y plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1 over 5 minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 1. Then, y plus 1 equals 8 over 4 times the quantity of x minus 1. Then, y plus 1 equals 2. Dahil 8 divided by 4 ay 2 times the quantity of x minus 1. Then, expand. Y plus 1 equals 2x minus 2. Then, we transpose positive 1 to the other side. y is equal to 2x minus 2 minus 1, and y is equal to 2x minus 3. Yan na po ang equations ng line. Okay, next, the intercept form. Ang equations po ng intercept form ay bx plus ay equals ab. Okay po. So mayroon po siyang other equations na same naman po. X over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Yun po siya. So, for example, find an equation of the line whose x and y intercepts are 2 and 1 respectively. So, ganito po yan. Solution, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. So, gamit po ang bx plus ay equal to b equal to ab, substitute 2 for a and 1 for b. Ayan po siya. Then, multiply x plus 2y equals to 2. Yan na po ang equation ng line. Okay, thank you. Huwag po natin kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel at pakiclick po ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong lesson. Salamat!